Britain's weather forecaster issued its first ever red extreme heat warning for parts of England when temperatures are forecast to reach record highs, triggering a national emergency alert level. Much of Europe is baking in a heat wave that has pushed temperatures into the mid-40s Celsius in some regions, with wildfires raging across the dry country in Portugal, Spain, France and Croatia. The highest ever recorded temperature in Britain was 38.7 degrees Celsius recorded in Cambridge University Botanic Garden on July 25, 2019. The Met Office said it was now forecasting temperatures of 40 degrees Celsius for the first time in Britain. Nights are also likely to be exceptionally warm, especially in urban areas, Met Office chief meteorologist said in a statement. This is likely to lead to widespread impacts on people and infrastructure. On the Met Office website, a Level 4 red alert is defined as a national emergency, and is used when a heat wave is so severe or prolonged that its effects extend outside the health and social care system. At this level, illness and death may occur among the fit and healthy, and not just in high-risk groups,